Here I am solving ninth problem of introductory set of CSES problem set, which is bit string. The task is to calculate the number of bits of length n. For example, if n equals to 3, the correct answer is 8 because the possible bit strings are the following. Okay, what we have to do is for any given input we have to calculate all the possible bit strings. Okay, let us code this. New Python file. Bit string. Okay, what we have to do is take an input n, which will be integer input. We have to calculate all the bit strings. So simple formula for calculating bit strings is 2 to the power of n. This will give us the answer. Let us see for 3 8. Now here the problem is we have our input ranging from 1 to 10 to the power 6. Now if we take a larger input, let us say, then the memory and the time required to calculate such answer is too high. So what we will do is we will divide our final answer with a modulo. So we will take mod equals to 10 to the power 9 plus 7. We will divide our final answer by, so we will modulo our answer by mod. What will happen is our answer cannot exceed this number. That's why let us take a bigger input, and here is our answer. Thanks for watching the video.